Hello guys, this is Home Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in United Kingdom. The link and coupon will be in the description, and open description and click on eSIM link and copy coupon discount code and open website wifi.com and click on this Unite and click on this and open this page. Alright, unlimited 4G, 5G data, no download or registration, keep your WhatsApp number and instant activation under 5 minutes. Alright, scroll down and click on choose data type, unlimited data or fixed data. I am recommend limited data and choose a speed plane, light, plus or premium. I am recommend plus, maybe premium. Alright, and select days. I'm select 30 days and click on buy it now. Alright, and click on this and write discount code ROAM tips and click on apply, order discount ROAM tips and this nice, and click on Google Pay and buy SIM and contacts email, payment and billing address and click on buy now and open new page and buy SIM and send your email address, QR code and activation instruction, and that's all. eSIM is work, and subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.